Welcome to our Perfect Classes. In this video, I will discuss about design and analysis of algorithm. Design and analysis of algorithm is a subject which studies how to design efficient algorithm, how to analyze their performance, and how to solve computational problems by using optimal techniques. An algorithm which is a finite sequence of well-defined instructions which is used to solve a particular problem. This is algorithm. For example, finding the largest number in an array. We take input 47291, and for this we will write the algorithm. First of all, assume first element is largest, then first element compare with every element, and after that update largest if bigger element found. For example, you can see here bigger element will be 9, so output is 9. Now, module 1, introduction. Characteristics of an algorithm. A good algorithm which must satisfy the following properties. First, input. Algorithm should accept 0 or more input. Example, addition algorithm takes two numbers. Input A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. Output. Second characteristics, output. Algorithm should produce at least one output. Example, 5 plus 3 that is equal to 8. This is the output. Definiteness. Every step should be clear and unambiguous. Uh, Wrong, add large number. Correct, add A and B. Finiteness. Algorithm must terminate after finite steps. Algorithm loop from 1 to 10 ends 10 iterations. Effectiveness. Each step should basic and executable. Example, addition, comparison, and swapping. Correctness. Algorithm should produce correct output. Example, sorting algorithm should always sort properly. Efficiency. Algorithm should use less time and memory. Analysis of algorithm. And an algorithm analysis means evaluating performance. To measure measures: time complexity, space complexity. What is time complexity? Measure the execution time with the increased input size. Example, for n numbers, linear search takes big O notation n. This is the time complexity of linear equation. Now, best case, minimum time required. Example, searching first element, linear search, target at first position, and complexity will be big O notation 1. In worst case, maximum time required. Example, target at last position, complexity will be big O notation n. Average case, average running time, and example, target somewhere in middle, complexity big O notation n. Asymptotic notations. It's used to represent growth rate. Big O notation represent upper bound. Example, bubble sort worst case, big O notation n square. And omega notation represent lower bound. Big O notation represent to upper bound and omega represent to lower bound. And in omega notation, best case insertion sort be omega of n, and theta notation represent exact bound. Merge, it's used in merge sort, theta n log n. Now, next topic is performance measurement. Performance depends on the CPU speed, compiler, programming language, input size, memory, and two methods which are used for measurement of performance, that is theoretical analysis and second is experimental analysis. Now, time and space trade-off. Sometimes more memory reduces time. Example, hash table. Search becomes faster but requires extra memory. Another example, memorization in dynamic programming. Analysis of recursive algorithm. Recursive algorithms call themselves. Example factorial program. Factorial in bracket n colon if n equal 0 then return 1 else return n multiply factorial n minus 1. Recursive relation recurrence relation, it defines recursive running time. Example t n equal to t n minus 1 plus 1. This is the recursive recurrence relation. Now substitution method. In substitution method, we guess the solution and prove mathematically. For example, Tn equal to Tn minus 1 plus 1. We here assume Tn equal to big O notation n. For this proof, first of all write to Tn equal to Tn minus 1 plus 1. Right here n minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cut and we find n. That means big O notation n. Recursion tree method. Expand recurrence into tree form. Expand recurrence in tree form. We take here example Tn equal to 2t n by 2 plus n and we make tree n by 2 n by 2 and you can further divide it n by 4 n by 4 n by 4 n by 4. So number of levels here log n and its total will be n log n and complexity will be big O notation n log n. Now next is the master theorem used for divide and conquer recurrences. Here we take master theorem Tn is equal to a t n over b plus function of n. Now here is a n. A is a number of sub problems, b is a division factor, fn is a extra work. We have given a2 b2 function of n and using theorem answer will be big O notation n log n. We will take here log b a and it's log 2 raised to power 2 that is equal to n. So using theorem it will be big O notation n log n. Next is a fundamental algorithmic strategy. First is a brute force technique. In brute force technique, simplest approach, check all possible solutions. Example linear search each element one by one. Its advantage, it's easy and it's always work. Disadvantage, it is slow and inefficient. This is a brute search technique and its complexity will be big O notation n. Second one is a greedy method. It makes locally optimal choice. For example, coin change problem. 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the coins. Amount will be total of this, that is 18. Choose largest coin repeatedly. 10 plus 5, then 2, then 1. And advantages, fast and simple. Disadvantage, it may not give optimal solution always. Dynamic programming, it solves overlapping sub-problems. It stores previous results. For example, Fibonacci series, you can take example with because in here in Fibonacci series we take a equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and 0 1 first two elements, and next element 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 uh, 8. Like this Fibonacci series will be generated without DP. Repeated calculation occurs with the DP. With DP, store the computed values, and formula will be taken here. Function of n equal to function of n, f of n minus 1, f of n minus 2. This is a used for Fibonacci series. Complexity of this big notation n. Backtracking. It builds solutions step by step. It rejects invalid solutions, and it take example n queen problem, and it places queen safely on the chessboard. If conflicts occurs, backtrack. Application used backtracking is used in a Sudoku, maze, or graph coloring. Now next is a branch and bound. In branch and bound, we can say it is used for optimizing problems, exploring solution space systematically. It prunes the bad solution using bounds. For example, we take here example of traveling salesman problem. Bin packing problem. It objects of different size must fit into bins. Its goal is to use minimum bins. And example, bin size is equal to 10 items. We take here example of items 2 4 5 4 7 1 and 3. Packing in bin 1, 2 plus 5 plus 1, that is 7 or 1 8. In bin 1 we will put value 2 5 and 1. In bin 2 4 and 3, and bin 3 7. Knapsack problem. What is a knapsack problem? Knapsack problem. In this, select the items to maximize the profit. Given weight, limit, and profits. Example, we have given example item, weight, and profit. A item 2 weight at 12 profits है. B item 1 weight at 10 profit है. 3 C item weight 3 and 20 profit है. Capacity 5 है. Capacity of a knapsack is 5. So first of all we have to choose A plus B plus C. Total profit will be 42. And then types of fractional knapsack or 0 by 1 knapsack. We can take method any one of this. Next is a traveling salesman problem, TSP. Salesman visit all cities once and returns. Goal is a minimum travel cost. Example, cities A, B, C, D. Possible routes checked. Complexity, big notation, and factorial, and application where we use it, GPS and logistics. And displaying and delivery system. Module 3, graph and tree algorithm. In graph terminology, graph is a collection of vertices and edges. Example, vertices is equal to A, B, C, and edges is equal to A, comma B, and B, comma C. And breadth first search. Traverses step by step, level by level. Uses Q. Example, A to B, comma C, B to D, C to E, and traversal will be A, B, C, D, E. This is A to B, C, and B to D, and C to E. And in traversal, A to B, B to C to D, D to E. Application, shortest path and social network. We will use it in a shortest path and social network. Complexity will be big notation V plus E. And depth first search. In depth first search, it traverses deeply first, then uses stack and recursion. और ट्रांवर्सल A B D C E, application cycle detection and topological sorting. Complexity will be big notation V plus E. Third is shortest path algorithm. In this, find the minimum distance. And Discustra's in this we use the Discustra's algorithm. Works on positive weight sum. A to B and A to C and C to B. A to B 4, A to C 2, C to B 1. And shortest path will be A to C, C to B, because 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Application, we will use it in GPS navigation. So next one is a transitive closure. It determines the reachability if A can reach B. If A can reach B, then B can reach C. That means A can reach C. A to B, B to C, it means A to C. This is a transitive closure, and here we used Warshall algorithm. Minimum spanning tree. It connects the all vertices with minimum cost. Properties: no cycle in minimum, no cycles and minimum edges. Prim's algorithm starts from one node, and Kruskal algorithm choose minimum edge globally. And edges A B. For example, we have given A B 1, B C 2, and AC 3. Minimum spanning tree AB plus BC, that is equal to cost 3. And application where we use it in network design and cable wiring. Topological sorting, ordering of vertices in a directed cyclic graph. A to B, B to C, possible order A, B, C, and application where we use it task scheduling and compiler design. Network flow algorithm finds maximum flow in network. Example: water pipeline system. Ford-Fulker's Sun algorithm used. Application: traffic system, internet routing. Fourth module: trackable and intractable problems. In computability of algorithm determines whether problem can be solved algorithmically. Some problems are impossible to solve. Example: halting problem. Complexity classes. Class P, problem solvable in polynomial time. Example: sorting, searching. Complexity: big O notation n square, big O notation n log n. And class NP, its solutions verifiable in polynomial time. And example: TSP verification. NP complete means hardest problem in NP. If one NP complete problem solve efficiently, then all NP problems solved efficiently. Example: SAT, click, and vertex cover. NP hard means at least as hard as possible. At least as hard as NP complete may not belong to NP. Example: optimization version of TSP. Relationship: P is a subset of equal NP. NP complete subset equal to NP. NP hard may include a problem outside the NP. Cook's theorem: first NP complete the theorem, then states SAT problem is a NP complete. Importance is a foundation of NP completeness theorem. Reduction techniques convert one problem into another. Purpose: prove NP completeness. Example: SAT reduced to 3 SAT. Module 5, advanced topics. Approximation algorithm used for NP hard problems gives near optimal solution. Example, approximate TSP, advantages faster and practical. Randomization, randomized algorithms. It's used for random numbers, output or running time vary change. And example, randomized quick sort. Advantages, simpler, faster, average performance. Next is a heuristic. In heuristic, we will use a rule of thumb method and no granted optimal. Example, nearest neighbor for TSP. In traveling salesman problem characteristics, it's a fast, it's a practical and problem specific. What are the application where we use AI robotics scheduling? Most important exam points, that is what define DFS, BFS, Discustra, Prim's, Kruskal, knapsack, TSP, dynamic problem, backtracking, Master's theorem. Most important complexities, that is linear search, big O notation n, binary search, big O notation log n, bubble sort, big O notation n square, merge sort O, big O notation n log n, BFS, big O notation b plus e, DFS, big O notation b plus e, Discustra, big O notation b square, Kruskal, big O notation e log e. Real life application of data, it's used in Google Maps. Shortest path is used here. On Facebook, graph traversal is used. Banking and optimization, in AI we use a heuristic, and a compiler design, topological sorting is used, and a delivery system, TSP is used, and a networking flow algorithm, gaming, path finding. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share my channel with your friends. In next video, I will discuss previous year questions. Perfect classes. In this class, I will discuss solutions of previous year papers of design and analysis of algorithm. First paper is related to 22nd December 2025. Section A, 2 marks question. What is asymptotic analysis? Asymptotic analysis is the method of analyzing the performance of an algorithm. And asymptotic analysis is a method of analyzing the performance of an algorithm as input sizes which becomes very large, and it measures growth rate of time and space complexity independent of हार्डवेयर एंड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. असिम्प्टोटिक एनालिसिस क्या है? एक ऐसा मेथड है जो क्या करता है, एक एल्गोरिदम की परफॉर्मेंस को एनालाइज करने का एक मेथड है, और एज ए इनपुट साइज ये बहुत बड़ा होता है, इट बिकम्स वेरी लार्ज, और ये मेजर करता है ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ टाइम एंड स्पेस कम्प्लेक्सिटी, और इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस को ये मेजर करता है. तो इन सिंपल वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट इट इज अ मेथड ऑफ एनालाइजिंग द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ एन एल्गोरिथम एज ए इनपुट साइज विच बिकम्स वेरी लार्ज, एंड इट ऑल्सो मेजर द ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ टाइम, स्पेस कम्प्लेक्सिटी विच independent of hardware and programming language. There are different types of asymptotic analysis. Big O is used is a upper bound, and omega is a lower bound, and theta is a exact bound. Means big O notation is used for upper bound, omega is used for lower bound, theta notation is used for exact bound. This is big O notation, this is a omega, and this is a theta. For example, linear search we take big O notation n, and what are the importance? It compares algorithm, it predicts scalability, it measures the efficiency. Second question is write a short note on time and space trade-off. Time and space trade-off means reducing the execution time by using extra memory, and or you can say reducing memory by increasing execution time. This is the vice versa. For example, hash table which use more memory but provide faster searching. Another example, dynamic programming, which stores intermediate results to reduce the execution time. Advantages: its computation is very faster. It improve the efficiency. Disadvantages: it uses the extra memory. Now, third question is, what is explain the concept of dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a technique which is used to solve problem having overlapping subproblems, optimal substructure, and it stores previously computed results to avoid the repeated calculations. For example, Fibonacci series which is used dynamic programming concept function fn equal to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. This is the Fibonacci series function. And application where we use dynamic programming, we used dynamic programming in knapsack, in LCS, Floyd, Warshalls, etc. And advantages: it's a faster execution and it's efficient. It provides efficient optimization. Now next is define transitive closure of a graph. Transitive closure of a graph determines whether a path exists between every pair of vertices or not. If A implies B, B implies C, then it means A implies C. Algorithm used Warshall algorithm and application, database systems and network connectivity, routing analysis. What is a spanning tree? A spanning tree is a subgraph which connects all the vertices of a graph without making a cycle. Properties: it contains all the vertices, has exactly v minus 1 edges and no cycles. For example, for graph with 4 vertices and a spanning tree contains 3 edges. For example, network design, electrical wiring and communication system in which we use this. Now next question is related to what is Cook's theorem and state its significance in NP complete problems. Cook's theorem states that the Boolean satisfiability problem that is known as SAT and is a NP complete. Significance is that it first NP complete problem discovered, and foundation of NP completeness theory helps prove the other problems NP complete using reduction sum. What is the importance? If SAT is solved in polynomial time, then all NP problems can also solved in polynomial time. This is its importance. Explain briefly the role of reduction in proving NP completeness. Reduction converts one problem into another problem in a polynomial time. Reduction converts one problem into another problem in polynomial time. What is the purpose? Its purpose is to improve a problem is NP complete. A procedure: it takes a non-NP complete problem, it converts into new problem. If conversion possible in polynomial time, then new problem is NP complete. Example: SAT reduced to 3 SAT. And importance: complexity, classification. It proves computational hardness. Describes various heuristic characteristics. Heuristics are the rule of thumb techniques which is used for obtaining the good solutions quickly. And what are the characteristics of heuristic? Its characteristic is that it provides fast executions. It provides near optimal solutions. It is a problem specific. It reduces the computations. It also provide practical for large problems. Example: nearest neighbor method in TSP. Advantages: it's efficient, it's a simple implementation. Disadvantages: optimal solution not granted. Now next question is differentiate between randomized and deterministic algorithm. Randomized algorithm uses random numbers, output may change and execution path changes. On the other side, deterministic algorithm has no randomness, same output every run, and it has fixed execution path. For example, randomized quick short and example of a deterministic algorithm, that is binary search. Advantages of randomized, it's a better average, it provides better average performance, it avoids the worst case. Discuss briefly different ways of the analyzing recursive algorithm. Recursive algorithms are analyzed and by using recurrence relations, and its methods: substitution method, recurrence tree method, master theorem. Substitution method, in substitution method, guess a solution and prove them mathematically. Recursion tree method, expand the recurrence into tree form. Master theorem, it a direct formula based method for the divide and conquer recurrences. For example, you have given t n equal to 2t n by 2 plus n. Here its complexity will be big O notation n log n. And next section B, related to 5 marks. Define the best case and worst case complexity of an algorithm. How do they compare to average case complexity? Best case complexity. Best case complexity is the minimum time required by an algorithm for any input size. Best case complexity means minimum time which is required by an algorithm for any input size. Example, linear search. If target element is first element, only one comparison needed. Complexity will be big O notation 1. Worst case complexity, its target is maximum time required by an algorithm. For example, if target element is absent and all elements are checked, then big O notation of n. This is the complexity. Average case complexity. Average case complexity is average running time over all possible inputs. For example, target present in middle. Then we will compare all elements from left to right, and this is the, for this complexity will be big O notation n. Comparison complexity type meaning: best case minimum time, average case expected time, worst case maximum time. What is the importance? Best case shows minimum efforts, worst case show granted upper bound, and average case gives realistic performance. Now next question. Differentiate between branch and bound backtracking algorithm. Branch and bound, it used for optimization problem. Backtracking, which is used for constraint satisfaction. Branch and bound, which uses bounds for the pruning, and backtracking, which uses feasibility checking. Branch and bound finds the optimal solution, backtracking finds feasible solutions. Branch and bound, breadth first or best first search, and backtracking is used in depth first search. And branch and bound use more memory, while backtracking uses less memory. And branch and bound example is traveling salesman problem. Backtracking's example is n queen problem. Advantages of branch and bound: optimal solution guarantee, it provides optimal solution guarantee, it reduces unnecessary search. Advantages of backtracking: it uses simple recursive approach, it finds all possible solutions. Now next question is explain the topological sorting algorithm and discuss its application in real world scenario. Topological sorting arranges vertices of a directed acyclic graph. Arranges vertices of directed acyclic graph such that if edge u to v exist, appears before the u appears before v. Algorithm Kahan's method. First, find in degree of all vertices. Second, insert vertices with in degree 0 into Q. Then removes vertex from Q. Then reduce in degree of adjacent vertices. After that, repeat until Q becomes empty. For example, you have given A to B, A to C, B to D, and C to D. This is a topological order. all arrows are one side. Its complexity will be big O notation V plus E. And where we use applications, we use it in task scheduling, compiler dependencies resolutions, course prerequisite planning, build systems, project management. Now next question is discuss in detail various standard NP complete problems with examples. NP complete problems are in NP or NP hard. Now standard NP complete problems. First is SAT problem. It determines whether Boolean formula can be satisfied. Example, A or B, and negation of A or C. Here we use Cook's theorem for proving SAT is NP complete. Click problem, find complete subgraph of size K, and it's used in social network analysis. Vertex cover, it's used for finding minimum set of vertices which covers all edges. Network security application where we use vertex cover. Now next is a Hamiltonian cycle. It finds cycle visiting every vertex exactly once, and it's used for routing system. Subset sum problem. It determines whether subset sum equals target value, and it's used in application cryptography. Importance, complexity classification. It basis for approximation algorithm, and it helps understand computational difficulty. Now next is discuss the role of randomized algorithm in optimization problems, providing a practical example. Randomized algorithm which uses random choices during the execution. Roles in optimization, it reduces the computation time, it avoid the worst case behavior, it provide efficiency for large problems. What are the types? Las Vegas algorithm, correct output granted. Example, randomized quick shot. Monte Carlo algorithm, it's very fast but may give approximate answer. And practical example, randomized quick sort, it used for pivot selected randomly. Advantages, better average performance, avoid worst case partitioning. Its complexity is average, big O notation, and log n. And its application where we used it, AI, cryptography, simulation, optimization problem. Section C, what is a computability of an algorithm, and discuss various computability classes in detail. Computability determines whether a problem can be solved using an algorithm or not, and a problem is computable if there exists a finite algorithm that solves it. And computability classes, first is class P, which class P related to problems solvable in polynomial. Example, sorting, breadth first search, depth first search, and its complexity, big O notation, and square big O notation, and log n. Class NP, in these problems whose solution can be verified in polynomial time. Example, traveling salesman verification. NP complete problem related to problems in NP hard. Example, SAT, click, vertex cover. NP hard. It problems at least as difficult as NP complete. It may not belong to NP. Example, optimization TSP. And its relationship is P is a subset of P is a subset equal to NP. NP complete subset equal to NP. NP hard may exist outside NP. Its importance is that it provides complexity classification. It analyze problem difficulty, and it helps the choose algorithms. Explain in detail the design, analysis, and approximation ratio of an algorithm for the vertex cover problem. Now, cover problem. What is a vertex cover problem? Cover problem is used to find minimum set of vertices such that every edge has at least one endpoint in selected set. And because problem is NP complete, then approximation algorithms are used. Approximation algorithm step. First step is select any uncovered edge UB. Add both U and V to cover. Then remove all edges incident on U and V. Then repeat until no edges remain. Example, you have given edges AB, BC, CD. Choose AB. Add A and B. Remove incident edges. Remaining CD. Add C and D. Then vertex cover A, B, C, D. Approximation ratio. Approximation ratio is equal to 2. Reason is optimal cover contains at least one endpoint of every chosen edge, while approximation choose both endpoints. Complexity, that is big O notation E. And what are the advantages? It's very fast, simple, practical for large graphs, and application where we use. It's used for network monitoring. It's used for resource allocation. It's used for a security system. Now describe the working of Prim's and Kruskal's algorithm for finding a minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning tree means a spanning tree which connects all the vertices with minimum total edge cost, and there is no cycles. And Prim's algorithm, it grows minimum spanning tree from one starting vertex. It's a start from one vertex, then select minimum weight, then add new weight, then repeat until all vertices included. Example, A to B, this is 2, A to C, this is 3, B to C, 1, and C to D, 5, and B to D, this is 4. Start from A to B, that is 2. Then B to C, that is 1, because B to D 4 and B to C 1. We have to choose minimum. And after that we have to choose the D. But from B to D4, C to D5, we will choose B to D4. And its minimum spanning cost will be 7. Its complexity will be big O notation V square. Now Kruskal's algorithm. Kruskal's algorithm select globally minimum edge. Its steps: sort edges by weight, then pick smallest edge, then avoid cycle, and then repeat until MST formed. Example, AB1, BC2, AC3, CD4. Take A to B minimum value, and after that take BC2 and reject cycle AC. If you take AC, then it will be make a cycle, so that's why we do not take it. And after that we will take CD, that is 4. Now you can see after adding all these values it will be 7. Its complexity will be big O notation E log E, and its comparison is Prim's algorithm based on vertex, Kruskal algorithm based on edges. Prim's algorithm uses priority queues and Kruskal algorithm uses sorting. It's suitable for a dense graph, it's suitable for sparse graph. Application of MST: network design, cable layout, transportation system, communication network. Now next paper is related to 17th May 2024. First question is related to algorithm. You can do it yourself because I have already discussed with you. Now next question, dynamic programming. It also discussed with you. Now next question is related to define implicit constraint. Implicit constraints are those conditions which restrict the solutions during problem solving but are not explicitly stated. They help to reduce invalid solutions in state space search. In NQ problem, queens cannot be attack each other diagonally. They cannot attack diagonally, and applications used backtracking constraint satisfaction problem. What are the static trees? Static trees are trees whose structure does not change during the execution. Nodes and edges remain fixed. Characteristics: fixed structure, no insertion, no deletion. And easier management: example, expression trees application where we use it, compiler design, expression evaluation. Now next is a branch and bound. It also I have already discussed with you. You can see there. Branch and bound is a optimization method which is used to systematically explore the solutions space and removes no promising solutions using bounds. Branching, bounding, pruning, application TSP, knapsack, scheduling advantages, finds optimal solution, reduces search space. Now next is a worst case efficiency. Worst case means it represents to maximum execution time of an algorithm for any input size. Its example is linear search, in which we use worst case and if target element is absent, all elements checked. Big O notation n importance is gives upper bound, predict the maximum running time. Topological sorting, it also discussed. Define the term transitive closure. I have already discussed in previous paper. What is a bin packing problem? Bin packing problem involves placing the objects into minimum number of bins with fixed capacity. For example, bin capacity is 10 and you have item 2, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. You have given 2, 5, 4, 7, 1, and in first bin you cannot put the items more than 10 capacity. Then we take here 2 plus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 8. In bin 2 we will put only 4. In bin 3 we will put only 7. What is the applications where we use it? Memory allocation, cargo loading, and resource management. What is the basic principles of divide and conquers? In divide and conquer divides a problem into smaller sub problems and solves them recursively and combine their solution. Steps: first of all divide, then conquer, then combine. Example: merge sort, quick sort, binary search. Advantages: efficient, suitable for recursion. Now section B, what are the requirements which are needed for the performing backtracking. Backtracking is a recursive technique that explores all the possible solutions systematically. Requirements for the backtracking state the space tree, represent all possible configuration nodes, partial solution, recursive structure. Problems should be solvable recursively. Feasibility function checks whether a partial solution is valid. Solution function determines whether complete solution is obtained. Backtracking mechanism: if current path fails, algorithm returns and tries another path. Working procedure: select a possible option, check constraints, continue recursively, backtrack if invalid. Example: n queen problem. Place queens safely on the chessboard. If conflicts occur, remove the queen and try another position. Application: Sudoku solving, maze problem, graph coloring, etc. Where we use it. And Hamiltonian cycles. Advantages: it finds all the solution system. It provides systematic explorations. Disadvantages: high time complexity, large space, search space. What are the features of dynamic programming? Features: it's used for the overlapping sub problems, optimal substructures. It provides memorizations, and means it stores computed values in a memory. Tabulations: bottom up iteration solution, reduces repetition, avoids the repeated calculations. Overlapping subproblem means same problem subproblem solved repeatedly. And optimal substructure means the optimal solution constructed from optimal subproblem solutions. Efficient optimization: it improves the time complexity. Example: Fibonacci series. You can take here example without dynamic programming, big O notation to the power n, and with dynamic programming, big O notation n. Application where we use it: knapsack, LCS, matrix, chain multiplication, Floyd, Warshall, in which we use this. List the types of randomized algorithm. Randomized algorithms are used random numbers during execution. Las Vegas algorithm always produce correct output. Execution time varies. Example: randomized quicksort. Characteristics: correct result, grunting, running time random. Monte Carlo algorithm: execution time fixed, output may be incorrect with small probability. And Miller-Robbins primality test is example. Characteristics is fast execution, small probability of error. Comparison: Las Vegas correct output grunted, Monte Carlo output may be incorrect. Las Vegas variable running time and Monte Carlo fixed running time. Applications: it's used for cryptography, AI, simulation optimization. Explain breadth first traversal method for graph with the algorithm and example. Breadth first search traverses the graph level by level. Data structure used, it's used for queue. And breadth first search: start from source vertex and then mark the source as a visited. Insert source into queue, then remove the vertex from queue, then visit all adjacent unvisited vertices. After the insert from into queue, insert them into queue and then repeat until queue empty. You can see here we have given A implies B and A implies C, and B implies D, and B is also implies E, and C implies F. Just a minute. A implies B and A implies C, and B implies D, and B implies E, and C implies F. And breadth first search traversal. In this, first of all, start from A, then B, then C, then D, D to E, E to F. This is breadth first search. This is the steps. And complexity, big O notation B plus E. Applications: shortest path, web crawling, social network, and broadcasting system. Find the longest common subsequence LCS by using dynamic programming. We have given 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 y is equal to 1 0 1 0 0 1. Step 1, compare the sequence. Write again this value x and y. Then step 2, construct the DP table, dynamic programming table. Use formula if characters match. Lij equal to Li minus 1 j minus 1 plus 1, and else max Li minus 1 j and Li j minus 1. And step 3, find common subsequence. Longest common subsequence will be 1 0 1 0 0 1. 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is the longest subsequence according to y. And the length equal to 6. Complexity, time complexity, big O notation mn, space complexity, big O notation mn. Application, DNA sequence matching, file comparison, plagiarism detections. Section C, explain characteristic greedy algorithm. Compare greedy algorithm with dynamic programming method, giving example of knapsack problem. Greedy algorithm makes locally optimal choice at each step. Characteristics of greedy algorithm: it immediate decision making, it provides no reconsideration, fast execution, simple implementation, efficient for optimization problem. Example of fractional knapsack: you have given the different weights and ratios. Capacity is 50. Fully, B fully, B also fully take, and 20 units from C. Profit is 240. You can take here A fully 60, B 20, 100, 160, and from C we will take only 20. 120 is on 30 for 20, 0 0 80, and it will be 240 profit. Now comparison with the dynamic programming. Greedy method is used for local optimum choice. Dynamic used for solves all sub problems. It's faster, it's slower sometimes, it's less memory, more memory. It may not give optimal solution, it's usually optimal, simpler, more complex. Knapsack example, fractional knapsack. Greedy gives them optimal solution, and 0 by 1 knapsack. Dynamic programming preferred. Application, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm, Huffman coding, and write a detailed note on approximation algorithm. It provides a near optimal solution for NP hard problems where exact solution is computationally expensive. Need for approximation algorithm. Many organization problems use TSP, vertex cover, bin packing cannot be solved efficiently for large input. Characteristics: faster execution, near optimal solution, practical for large problems, reduces complexity. Approximation ratio equal to approximation solution divided by optimal solution. Smaller ratio indicates better performance. And types: constant factor approximation, polynomial time approximation. Example: vertex cover approximation. It chooses edges and add both endpoints. Approximation ratio. And TSP approximation, nearest neighbor heuristic. Advantages: handles large data, efficient execution, practical solution. Disadvantage: exact optimal solution not granted. Applications: scheduling, networking, logistic, and resource allocation. What are the NP hard and NP complete problem? NP problem whose solutions can be verified in polynomial time. NP complete problem means a problem that belong to NP and are NP hard. Example: SAT, click, vertex cover, and Hamiltonian cycle. NP hard problem, at least as difficult as NP complete, may not belong to NP. An example: optimization version of TSP. Relationship: P subset equal to NP, NP complete subset equal to NP. NP hard maybe lies outside the NP. Comparison, NP complete belongs to NP, NP hard may not belongs to NP, and verifiable possible verification may not be possible. Decision problems optimization problem importance for complexity classification determines computational hardness. It helps the design approximation algorithm approximation algorithms, application cryptography, scheduling, routing, and resource optimization. In next video, I will discuss next previous year questions. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share my channel with your friends so that they can take benefits from these videos.